My friends Cindy and Roger asked if I could see about fixing their baby crib from 1876. The hook mechanism that keeps the crib from rocking had broken. My friend Mike brazed it back together for me, and when I got it back to the shop, I didn't drop it, but it still broke, so I thought, great. So I ended up welding it. Not very pretty, but it should work. The next and probably the hardest thing was reverse engineering the rest of the mechanism that allows that hook to flip up and down. And we didn't have any of that, so I came up with an idea of making a cam. And so I took a bolt and a nut, welded it together, and just kept filling it with weld until I made a cam. Again, not very pretty, but it works. So that little cam can slip inside that box and push up on that hook. And then I took a butterfly nut and a regular nut and welded that together and tack welded it to the end of the bolt that was sticking through. Now the butterfly worked, but it doesn't look very good, and we needed some leverage. So as if I wasn't hillbilly enough, I found a paintbrush and got a little creative.